This is Persefoni. It's 53.8 meters in length, 10.5 meters in breadth. The guest is 12 people. It's extremely huge for a 54 meters boat, and it's really beautiful. We have one VIP cabin, one master cabin, and 4 cabins in the lower deck. We travel all over Greece and Mediterranean, Turkey, Sardinia, all French coast, wherever you like. I would say Mykonos, because it's famous and the place is unique.
My name is Jessica, and you are only one quick text, call, or email away from having me as your own personal charter specialist.